to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this tutorial I want to show you how to design a logo. Okay, how to design a logo on Canva. So let's just move over to Canva. You can use a template the same way. Click on templates. Being that you don't know how to design very well, obviously you have to use a template. Come here, click on logo, type in logo and then search. Okay, it can be a food logo. Okay, let's say for example, what type of logo do you want to design? Okay, let me just leave it a logo. Then you're going to see different logo designs. Can you see this one is amazing. Let's select it. Okay, so you can even use one logo and customize it to your taste. Seriously guys, so this particular logo now I can decide to, okay, this is just one image. I can decide to add different colors to it. As I click on this, select red. I click on the next one, select white. Click on the next one, select black. As it is. So I click on the background. I'll make the background to be white. Okay, this place is white, that is why. So let me click on the white one again and select black. Okay, can you see how I'm changing the colors now? All these things, this one I'm going to use red. Then under here I'm going to change the text. Click on edit and type Funny Computer Hub. Okay, this color is not okay. If you observe, my hub is their center line is below, so I have to click here. I want everything to be in straight line, so I have to select the color, let the color to be black. Okay, then there's dot. I think that is a dot, or let me change the color, so let me know. Okay, company. Okay, we can leave it that way, or I can decide to use my own company name, Funny Global Limited. Okay, so this is exactly how to design logo. So that is amazing, right? So let's try to, okay, let me now export it. So if you want to export, remember there is this particular logo now that, if for example, if you gave me a contract to design a logo for you, I'm going to send you your logo with different formats. What do I mean by format? I'm going to send you the one that has a background color. I'm going to send you the one that has no background color. Okay, the one that has no background color means that the ones that, let's say for example now you are, let's say for example now let's say you did a video about your company, and you want the logo to be on that video. Okay, so that when the person is watching that video, the person can see your logo around it. So obviously that your logo don't need to be a background, so I have to make sure that I send the one that has background, and also the one that has no background. And not just that, I'm going to send you the markup too. Okay, markup, these are the things that we send to our client, anyone that wants to design a logo for them. And also we don't use Canva, we are professional graphic designers, so we think out the logo, we sketch it, think out the company's objective, what the company is deals on, and then start designing the logo. Okay, so being that right now I'm going to save this logo on two formats. I'm going to come here, save. Okay, save with PNG. I'm going to save with JPEG. Okay, I'll change it to JPEG. I'll download it. Okay, it's downloading. So after saving it now, I'm going to save it with PNG. The next saving is I'm going to save with PNG. But before I save it with PNG, I have to make sure I remove the color I added on this. Okay, I have to make sure that there is no color on this. Okay, so being that it's on white color now, okay, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to come here. Okay, sorry, this thing is showing elsewhere. Okay, I'm going to come here now, click here, click on download, click on png. Can you see png? It will show me that there is no transparency. Okay, but for us to be able to use no transparency, can you see, we have to have a pro version of Canva. Can you see this transparency now should be checked? Okay, but I have to upgrade. Remember, I'm teaching you this with free version, so that is it. Once we're able to check it, then you click on download. Okay, so that is it for how to design logo with Canva. Let's say for example you want to design another amazing logo. You can come in here, because there is this logo that is always learning. Even my own sister has I've able to get our own logo. Okay, let's say this type of logo. Let me use this simple one. Okay, this is a pro version. Okay, let me use let me decide to use this one for an example. Okay, all this logo where you can see alphabets and all that, you can decide to pick it up. You change the alphabet to another thing. Can you see I've just selected the letter A. I click on edit, I change it. Let's say I change it to letter P. Can you see what happened now? I make it letter P, or let me say letter B. Okay, let me say letter B. Okay, this one I'll change it to, let's say, click on edit, let's say letter H. Okay, I can decide to adjust depending on how I want to. You can even put your own adjustments. Don't just leave it as if as it is. Okay, then come here, edit it, add the, let's say Fanic. I know letter P is not here, but I'm going to use Fanic beer. Let's say Fanic beer, something like that. Then enter the dates. Let me just leave it that way, or let me just edit the dates. Let me add only 2025. Okay, so that is it. Okay, that is so amazing, guys. You can decide to change the color of these flowers. You can decide to make it red or even white. Can you see how amazing it is? So this is another way which you can use to design your logo. You can just get your logo, and even without paying a graphic designer, just get a simple logo, start your own business and start making money. Okay, so that is it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.